Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create a tour on Google Earth. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in googleearth.com. After that, you just need to go and log in through your email or Google account of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have the File, View, we have the Add button, Tools and Help. And of course, at the end, we have the search bar where you can, of course, click on to search for any, of course, location that you want. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and create a tour on Google Earth. So it is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So open Google Earth on your computer, as I already told you, and click on Tools window, which is as you can see here. Then when you're there, click on, you need to go of course and click on the settings. And here guys, when you're in of course the settings, of course you need to go and click on touring, where guys you need then to click add tour button to start recording actions and movements. Create your tour by flying, zooming, panning and rotating the globe. Of course we have a tour added, so basically you just need to go and do those things. And guys, then of course you just need to go and double click on the place mark in the place panel to move your unique camera angle and or view. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. As guys, this really helps us for our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye, guys.